Are you serious? Oh my gosh, you can't see it in the camera. You just missed it. The sky looks green. Well, it looks green.
No. You'll know it's green when, you'll know.
Well,
You'll know.
When I was little, there was a tornado when the sky was green, so I know what it looks like. Did that see it in the camera? I wasn't looking at the camera, but there was a huge trickle of lightning. Ah, this is so cool. I like storms. I don't know why. I was out here like 5. I want to be a storm chaser. That's my hopeful future job. I want to be a storm chaser. I think they're cool.
Storm chaser. I think that's awesome.
Is it possible to get electrification from a lightning strike?
You could die from a lightning strike, honey.
Well, I'll take the chance to get Denki's quirk.
No, you won't.
That's kidding.
Not what happens.
I'm kidding, but I really want Denki's quirk, though. I think his quirk is cool. Electrification. Rosie.
Are you seriously videotaping stuff?
Mm-hmm. It's cool. We're just sitting on a wet chair. Now the seat is wet. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Right over there. This is so cool. Is the bumper still over there? Ooh. Are the bumps in the clouds still over there? They disappeared. Well, they're there. They're just over there. Earlier, like 5 seconds ago, they were over there.
Those clouds move on pretty fast.
Earlier, they were like way back there. There's some stuff over there too. Another raindrop. That was a very quick. Ooh, did it get it? Because that was a big strike. And we should probably take the umbrella down and not leave it like that.
Yeah.
Whatever you say. Rumble, rumble. So now you're coming out of your little bat cave to come out of here.
You just hush.
You were telling me to go away.
You just hush.
You were telling me to get in the little bat cave when I was over there like 2 seconds ago.
I'm an adult. You're a peewee.
I am not a peewee. I am 10 years. Purple lightning. More purple lightning.
Oh my God, mouth.
Purple
Oh
lightning.
my God, with your mouth. Lightning is just unbelievable.
It's like orange over there. You can't see it in my camera because it's crappy, but it's orange over there. There's purple lightning. How rare is this? I'm gonna look up how rare is purple lightning. There was like a huge strike of purple lightning over there. Another purple lightning. There was a huge strike of purple lightning over there. At least it looked purple. In the camera it didn't look purple, but it was purple.
Jibber jabber mouth over here.
And
There it is.
Crap. I turned. Did you see that purple one? Purple ones are pretty. I like lightning. I like storms. I really like storms. They're pretty. You might be able to see it in the camera if I don't get a direct view over there. Over there. Orange. And like over here. It looks the same as the rest of the sky, but over here it's orange. Why did you just get it on your normal camera, not Snapchat? Gracie posts everything. Gracie posts everything on her Snapchat.
She goes.
Yeah, literally everything. I asked her about it when we went running. And she said, oh, I don't post everything on my Snapchat, when she clearly does. I'm serious. She posts everything in her life on Snapchat. Finally, a normal camera. I know I do. Rumble, rumble.
Yeah, the spirits are start coming in. Tornado warning south of us right now. Here it comes.